So, how to fix Facebook Messenger not sending messages? Hello guys, first thing you want to do is go to the settings and then go to the apps, open the apps and then go to the Messenger, click on first stop and then go to the data usage, disable all these options at once and then enable only the Wi-Fi, and if you are using the mobile data, enable only the mobile data like this. Anyway, I'm using Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna enable it. Go back and then click on the power usage details. Click down here on force stop. After that, restart your phone and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.